Ah! Ding! Keep moving all the way across as far. That's it. That's it.
Just wiggle in it.
Take that one off. Is that undoing?
Yeah.
Really? How long is that?
I don't know.
Let's have a look. What number is this one?
700.
Yeah, so we'll go to 710.
Okay.
And you put a mark at 670. Oh, no, start the tape from this side. There you go. Good job.
It stinks.
Okay. That's it. That's it. Maybe I can push it.
Okay.
Oh, this.
Mikky can almost have a rod as well. Mikky can go no 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 no. But then the boat would go like this then.
Okay, so
Now look.
I'll feed this up to you. Bring it. No, no. Good job. Oh! Okay. And do your thing. That's super cool, that. Okay, pop the battery on. You can hop on.
I'm gonna get the wires wet. I'm scared I'm gonna tip.
Well, this is quite good.
No, don't push me. Can I steer? Oh,
Show me the steering. Yeah, steering's good. Yeah. Look at it go. Woo-hoo-hoo! Leave it on, Sam, leave it on. Yeah, leave it on.
Sam! Woo! That was a pretty cool move, mate. That was pretty cool. Okay. Go, Sammy! Oh, careful, careful, careful. Whoa!
That's right. Leave the motor going. You'll be alright, just leave it on. You can turn it off quickly, that's it. Use both hands to steer. Turn it on and leave it on.